Okay, let's look and see what's going on with the Hawaii situation with the volcano and all of the earthquakes and everything that's happening there, you know. Because it's just, you know, is this going to keep going? Is it going to slow down? I mean, what's going on with it? Because it's pretty bad. Okay. So it's moving forward. Still got some things in reserve. It's not all the way out. But yeah, it's just, you know, again, you got all that lava going and all that energy going. It's like the Emperor. It's like it's strong. Yeah, it's going to go until it blows itself out. It's going to go until it blows itself out. Yeah. Depends on, underneath of it, depends on, you know, the nature, that the higher things of the universe that's going. And there's, you know, again, things are bound. There's nothing that one can do to change that. Nothing that we can do to change that. It's just going to go until it blows itself out. Yeah, it's just going to keep going until it reaches that point. Yeah, and we're just kind of bound to hang in there. We just, you know, not much you can do about it. It's going to keep going until it reaches the hangman, or the, you know, that position of it's upended and done. You know, keeps going until the death card, till it, you know, it's released all its stuff, and yeah. Till it ends. It's gonna go until it ends. That's it. We got the Emperor, which is the start, and it's strong, and it's, you know, then again bound. Nothing we can do about it. You just gotta go until it blows itself out. Okay. Yeah. So she is on the move. Pele is on the move. She is upset. She is not happy. Pele is not happy. Okay? She is taking back the island bit by bit. Yeah. So how is this going to affect people's health? How is this erupting going to affect people's health? Because they get those fissures, and this gas is coming out. Start. Okay. So let me look at these real quick. It's a start in this holding. Yeah, it's going to last for a while, and it's not going to be good. These clouds and stuff that are coming are not going to be good for people's hearts. It's not, you know, breathing problems and other stuff, and that holding, yeah. Foundation, it's deadly for some people. It's deadly. And it's a, you know, it's a cup that's being served up. It's overflowing, these gases and things. So what can people do? Yeah, it's going to affect, you know, it's going to affect a number of people. Because, yeah, it's just a lot of energy. A lot of energy is putting out there and stuff. Yeah. And, you know, it's just kind of part of the universe, the happenings and stuff. But it's going to be deadly for some people. So people really need to be cautious of, you know, if they have breathing problems or if they have, because that gas, it's, and then the rest of it, if, well, thank God it hasn't blown a lot of ash. I don't think it's blown a lot of ash, so people are okay with that. But the, that sulfur dioxide and stuff that's coming can be very difficult for people. So they need to watch for that. Yeah. So let's see, how is it going to affect the communities there? Because a couple of people have lost their homes. And, yeah, it's going a different direction. It usually goes over the old lava flows to the ocean. So it's about those that are, you know, they have their places, you know, they've been comfortable where they've been at. Okay. It was resting before, but now it's active. Okay, underneath, we're looking to see how far this is going to go. Again, looking at how much distance it's going to go. Okay, how much is this? Yeah, it doesn't say it's the start or the end, you know. It'll just keep going until it goes. Okay, let me see. People will move. Got the hermit leaving, a few people, number of people. Yeah, they're just going to have to take charge and look at leaving. Yeah, they're going to have to look at leaving. Number of people are going to have to leave. Yeah. So what we have here is this path. What it's, you know, the way that this thing is moving. It's moving, and people are going to have to look and maybe have to leave. And not only one, but a number of people are going to have to take charge and look at moving, leaving, getting out of the, you know, getting out of the area, because this is just, you know, it's deadly. It's not good. It could be a dangerous situation for them to it's a dangerous situation for people to remain. So a number of people, it looks like, are going to lose their properties, lose their homes in that area. Yeah. Yeah. It's like a number of people are going to lose their homes and their things in that area. So it's, yeah, not good. So we wish the people of Hawaii well, and I know what it is to be in those earthquakes. I remember when I lived in Half Moon Bay, and I was in the worst of the places when it was like a 7.0, that big earthquake that hit in the Bay Area. I was living there at that time when we lost You know, it never recovered. Parts of San Francisco never recovered from that earthquake. We lost a lot of entrances and exits to the freeway system. A lot of the things collapsed. Remember, part of the bridge collapsed. And unfortunately, when it hit, I was in a store with mirrors, all mirrors. And, and it hit. So I was lucky to get out, but I mean, I was in a store standing where they had all these mirrors and stuff. I had gone to look at this guy's truck, and I went in, I'd taken the truck out for a drive, and I went in to find the guy. He was in the store to give him back the keys to his truck, and he ran. He took off, so I had to spend a couple hours just looking for this guy to give him back his car keys to his truck. I don't know where he took off to, but he just, you know, when it hit, he just lost his mind and ran somewhere. But yeah, no, it's not fun when you hit. And Madame Pele is upset now, boy. She's moving and dancing and grooving, and unfortunately for people, you know, yeah, she's tough. You need to get the heck out of her way, 'cause we all respect you, Pele. Okay. So namaste. Have a great day.